Hello friends, today we will talk about the second stanza of this poem Fire and Ice written by Robert Frost. As we have already discussed about the first stanza of this poem in my previous video. So if you want to watch that video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. So this is the second stanza of the poem Fire and Ice. But if it had to perish twice, I think I know enough of it to say that for destruction ice is also great and would suffix. Perish means to die. Suffix means to be sufficient, enough. Here the poet says, but if it has to be perished twice, यानी कि अगर दुनिया को दो बार खत्म होना होगा, वो दुनिया कैसे खत्म होगी दूसरी बार? पोएट कह रहे हैं कि अगर दुनिया को दूसरी बार खत्म होना है तो वो हेट्रेड से खत्म होगी, क्योंकि दुनिया को खत्म करने के लिए हेट भी ग्रेट और सफिशिएंट है. मतलब आइस हेट बहुत बड़ा है और सफिशिएंट है, मतलब इनफ है दुनिया को खत्म करने के लिए. तो दूसरी बार अगर दुनिया को खत्म होना है तो वह आइस से होगी दुनिया, क्योंकि आइस भी एक बड़ा और अच्छा टूल है वर्ल्ड को, संसार को खत्म करने के लिए. So this is the poem, which is very short. Here are two ways in which the world can end: fire and ice. Fire symbolizes desire, हमारी चाहतें, and ice symbolizes hatred, नफरत. तो पोएट यहाँ पर अपना ओपिनियन बताते हैं. So now we have discussed the poem. We will move towards the literary devices of this stanza. So first literary devices of this poem is enjambment, which means when same sentence continues to the next line without any punctuation mark. For example, you can see in line 3rd, 4th and 5th. To say that for destruction, ice is also great and would suffice. Here you can see that the line is continuing, running in 3 lines without any punctuation mark. So here is enjambment. Next device you can see assonance, which means repetitive use of a vowel sound. And this repetitive use किस तरह का होना चाहिए? In between, in starting, in middle, but in a particular line. और एक ही sound prominent होनी चाहिए, which is known as assonance. As you can see in line 6th, I think I know enough of hate. Here O and I sound is prominent. So now with this we have finished the poem. So if you want to see my or watch my more videos, please subscribe, like and share to Rani Sharma channel. And if you want to watch the first stanza video, also like, share and subscribe to Rani Sharma. And we used to make the videos for class 5th also, 6th also, 7th also, and all grammar videos we used to make, and class 10th. Thank you for watching and please subscribe and share my channel. Bye. Thank you so much. Bye bye.